Today, we'll show you how to download and use the GPS Speedometer offline app. First, head to the Google Play Store on your device and then search for GPS Speedometer offline. After you find it, tap on Install to get started. It'll only take a moment to get installation complete. After installation completed, open the app and select your speed unit as miles per hour, kilometers per hour, knots, or meters per second. And it's not just about speed. You can easily measure altitude, get your live location using precise latitude and longitude coordinates while hiking, flying, or exploring. Imagine the benefits, from wilderness hikes to off-road adventures. This app will be your ultimate travel companion. Download now.